It is a gift for the heart, from the heart. Tonight, an unprecedented donation from members of the Rogers family. Adrian Gabriel with how their incredible act of philanthropy could dramatically change the lives of thousands of people living with heart disease.
I would like to announce that we are making a donation to UHN, Sick Kids, and the U of T in the amount of $130 million.
A fitting standing ovation for Loretta Rogers and the entire Rogers family with their announcement of the largest private donation in Canadian healthcare history, the Ted Rogers Centre for Heart Research.
I think it gives heart patients a new lease on life.
John Swandon's one of 1 million people who live with heart disease in Canada who have been given that new lease. Only cancer claims more lives each year, and the disease can hit when you least expect it.
I was a pretty active guy. I didn't have a lot of risk factors for heart disease, and for me, I walked every weekend with my dogs, 8 kilometers every Saturday and Sunday, and I'm very lucky to be alive.
Much of the research for patients like John is already underway here at the Peter Monk Cardiology Centre, and doctors believe today's historic donation will go towards changing the face of the disease in Canada and across the world.
A gift of this nature really allows us to just blow the top off things in terms of the research, the scope, the breadth, the depth, as well as the synergies across the 3 organizations.
Sick Kids, UHN, and UFT are matching the Rogers family donation, bringing the final figure to $239 million. One of the main goals, reduce hospitalization for heart failure by 50% in 10 years. For the Rogers family, this is a project close to their heart.
Heart disease and heart failure it was one of the most horrifying things to see someone go through.
The late Ted Rogers, founder of City's parent company, Rogers Communication, battled heart disease for years.
Well, he had a heart attack in his 40s. About 5 years before he died, he developed heart failure. And they fought it very hard, but there is not a cure, and we hope there will be soon.
Wow.
Ted Rogers died at 75. His family shared with us he would have loved a few more years. They hope their donation will mean years of better health for those living with heart disease and new hope for their families, with the Rogers family standing beside them through this new research center.
It's a really tough battle. I would say, stay as strong as you can and come here and let's see what we can do to help that and to extend your life, give you a greater quality of life, you and the family.
During his battle with heart disease, Ted Rogers received a lot of his treatment south of the border, and his family says he marveled at the amount of Canadian doctors in the U.S. hospitals. Well, the Ted Rogers Centre for Heart Research aims to bring some of those doctors home. At the Peter Monk Cardiac Centre, Adrian Gabriel, City News.